Whoa! We have more than 250 subscribers? Oh, the mail must be here.
What did you say? I can't hear you over this loud doorbell. I think the mail's here. Huh, what's this? This thing was in our mailbox. I wonder what it is.
It's an envelope. There must be something inside it. Wow!
It's an award from the YouTubes. It's our totally legitimate 250 subscriber play button from YouTubes. We are so happy to have received it. This is totally cardboard, guys. But we did make 250 subscribers.
Yeah, which is amazing.
Totally.
It's so awesome.
It's more people than we actually know in real life.
I know, but I like a lot.
So we thank everyone who's watched our videos and subscribed to our channel. And if you do like this one, please subscribe also.
Most of them are not like this. Most of them are much less funny.
Yeah, and just in case you're visiting right now and just happen upon this video, we do travel videos in upstate New York mainly.
And we have amazing subscribers that are so nice and leave us the nicest comments that we really, really appreciate. And I read them to my mom because they're so nice. We wanted to make something fun.
Yeah. And we know we're not going to get a play button for 250 subscribers.
But it's exciting to us.
Yes, and we appreciate every one of these 250 people who have subscribed to our channel. And we hope to have more in the future. So on this fun note, thank you so much.
We are really thankful for you guys.
Thank you for commenting and liking and subscribing. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Don't break the play button.